This isn't just a makeup tutorial. It's a quiet thank you to myself for surviving the last few months, for going to work when my heart is heavy, for showing up on weekends to do what I love most, even when I have to mask my grief, for taking a break from social media, not because I didn't care, but because I cared too much. I have always been someone who rooted for others. I get joy from seeing the people I admire shine. But lately, it just started to hurt. Every scroll started feeling like a reminder of what I wasn't doing, what I wasn't being, and that's not fair. It's not fair to me. I wasn't failing. I'm failing. Feeling way too fucking much. I've been grieving the shift of becoming an empty nester, starting a new job outside of my comfort zone. I've been managing a project I believe in with everything in me. It was too much. And so I've asked for help. Real help. The kind I haven't thought about since I was 16, back in the thick of depression. Now I'm trying to find the beauty again in the small things. I am writing again. I'm writing my feelings. Because somewhere along, trying to survive with a broken heart, I lost my voice. And I'm not scared anymore to admit it. This is me healing once again. Not the first time. One step, one moment at a time. Because this place is actually very familiar. I have looked at pain and depression in the eyes before and told it to fuck off. I have picked myself up from the darkness before. This familiarity doesn't scare me. I'm here for it, and I will get out of it.